What's going on, my friends? I think this is the first video of 2021 for me, so just wanted to share. I rebuilt this 2000 kx500 shock, and I did the armor Black Cerakote on the body. It's one of the flatter blacks, which I really like. It's almost like a hard anodized look of the newer bikes, like my 2019 kx450 and a lot of like the kx85s. I think all the Kawasaki's have that black shock body, and it looks really cool. So this was obviously just a raw aluminum, and it did the black on there for a customer. Regarding the gold parts, the yellow chromate or gold chromate was redipped. I didn't do the zinc plating because I've actually had bad luck doing fresh zinc and then trying to dip it in the chromate. So I just kind of dipped it and just got the yellow back because it was really faded. So nothing too fancy there, but it's good for what this customer wants. And he's going to get a shock spring and we'll finish it up. But Happy New Year, everybody. Just figured I would share. Take care.